I wake up with the sun in my eyes.